This weather report is brought to you by the BMW IX3.
Tonight, 7 News headlines, rescues and flooding as November rain records are shattered, and there's more on the way.
More than a dozen positive COVID cases linked to a funeral in the Shire.
Captain Pat Cummins. Steve Smith is deputy. Cricket Australia makes major changes.
And parts of the city to become a festival site to boost life out of lockdown this summer. Now, here's Sally with Sydney's weather.
Thank you very much, Michael. Well, it's certainly been a wet and wild day across the city. Tonight, the rain continues to fall. We reached a top just under 19 degrees this afternoon, around 10 millimetres falling across the city. Most suburbs across Sydney peaked between 5 and 15 millimetres since 9 a.m. this morning, including Sydney's catchment area around Warragamba Dam, with residents along the Hawkesbury Nepean continuing to be on flood watch tonight. We've got minor flooding possible there into this evening and tomorrow. Now, the low pressure trough triggering all the rain over that inland part of the state continues just to spurt wet weather pretty much along most of the coast. Because we've got so many creeks and rivers so full at the moment, following other rains, that flood threat does continue to linger across parts of the state. The Upper Hunter River remains a big concern into tonight. Also major flooding occurring at Scone. We've got floodwaters also affecting Muswellbrook and Aberdeen and Tamworth this evening, and that will continue into tomorrow as well. Now, the wet weather is not just confined to us at the moment. 2/3 of the east coast are affected by it tonight. Tomorrow, some more showers expected in Brisbane after some severe storms there this evening. Canberra has also recorded their wettest November on record. A possible shower there tomorrow, 16 degrees. Over on the west coast, a very different story. A hot one in Perth with a top of 36 degrees forecast. Now, as that deepening low just continues to shift away from us into the Tasman, we will see a very gusty southeasterly flow just pick up across the lower half of the state. That will affect the ranges into this evening. Gusts up to 125 kilometres an hour are possible. That'll be along the high peaks though, and that will also just help maintain those showers for the coastal areas tomorrow. Rain rates should start to ease though, which will be good news for many of us. Wollongong at 17 degrees and showers, also still wet into Coffs Harbour, 24 degrees there, while in Dobbo a top of 21 degrees expected tomorrow. A closer look at what's happening in our backyard tomorrow for Sydney. Cloudy skies are certainly the story. We'll see showers most likely in the morning and early afternoon at 17 degrees, the top at Manly, 18 at Liverpool and 19 degrees for Penrith. Now, large and powerful surf is also forecast for Sydney's waters tomorrow. That swell is going to pick up to around 4 metres. A soggy evening ahead for us. 16 will be the low, 20 the top tomorrow, with around 8 millimetres of rain expected to splash down tomorrow. And into Sunday, we'll see a few more showers at 2 millimetres at most, and it looks like mostly fine on Monday, but then those showers will continue up as we swing into those first days of December.
OK, thanks so much, Sal. That is 7 News for this Friday. We'll have updates for you throughout the evening.
Weekend Sunrise starts from 7 a.m. from all the 7 News team. Thanks so much for your company. Have a great Friday night.
Good night.